Hello children, very good morning to you all. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. So welcome to our 6th chapter, Attaining Freedom. In this chapter, we shall learn about the discovery of new sea route to India and also about the establishment of colonial rule. In olden days, India was said to be a rich country with spices, cotton, silk, pearls, etc. And these things were on great demand throughout the world, especially in European countries. In fact, we can say this opened a new door for the merchants and traders from Europe. Now let's watch a video and let's see more about the coming of British.
Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, was the first European to reach India via sea. He reached Calicut in 1498 after going around the tip of Africa. The flourishing economy of the Portuguese due to trade with India attracted the other Europeans like the Dutch, the British, the French merchants, etc. The British traders formed a trading company called the English East India Company with the consent of the Queen of England. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir, who ruled India at that time, allowed the British to trade and build factories. The East India Company set up its first factory at Surat in Gujarat for storing goods and commodities, and they started trading in clothes and spices. The British were on their way to establish their rule in India, building many more factories along the Indian sea coast. Slowly, they established trading centers in Bombay, Madras, and in Bengal too. They expanded their reach and ruled India by defeating the Indian rulers. The Indian rulers had allowed certain trade concessions to the Britishers and the French traders, but these traders misused the concession and a conflict arose between the Indians and the British. This led to the Battle of Plassey in 1757. With the victory in the Battle of Plassey, British got control over Bengal, and with Battle of Buxar, British got revenue rights in the state. This led to the foundation of British rule in India.
As the British East India Company gained control over India, the Britishers forced Indian farmers to produce cotton, indigo, etc. instead of food crops. And they bought these goods at very low price, which is to be used as raw materials in British factories. The Indians were forced to buy British goods, and the Britishers made huge profit from this. The British forced Indians to pay heavy taxes, and due to this, many people died of poverty and starvation. This led to the growing discontent among the Indians. Hope now we are clear about the establishment of colonial rule. In the next module, we will learn more about attaining freedom. Thank you.